Hey guys, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam. If you've been watching me and you've been part of the family, thank you very much for sticking with me and for always watching my videos. If your first time here, please click on the subscribe button, like, and give me a thumbs up. You can also watch my previous videos and share with your friends. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you very much. So in today's video, I know I'm looking weird. Because it's a skincare video and I want to show you guys how to remove black spots from your face. I have a little spots right here as a result of hormonal imbalance, so I'm trying to get rid of it. I've already started getting rid of it for about 4 days now and it is already fading. So I want to show you guys a simple tip on how to get rid of black spots, white spots, whatever type of spots you are battling with. And yes, I'm dressed like a mad person, wearing towels all over because I'm going to use egg and I don't want to stain my clothes or anything, so I just had to wrap everything this way. And I will also show you guys how to make a simple scrub for your body. So let's just dive into the video. For the first part of the skincare, what you are going to need is toilet rolls. So these are the only things you are going to need for the video. So I already have my egg white here. And I have some toilet rolls here that we're going to use. So the first thing you need to do is, I've already told you guys, like I have been telling you guys every day, that I am not fancy, so I'm using my hands. I don't use brush. So the first thing you need to do is apply the egg. So you create a layer on your face that will make the toilet roll sticky, because you want it to stick to your face. So after the application, you now put on your toilet roll. This first layer is going to help stick, like it's going to help the tissue roll to stick to your face. So I don't know, I can't predict my eye. Let me just do something like this. Okay. And then I'm going to apply it to the whole of my face. So as you are applying, you'll be adding the egg to it so it sticks perfectly on your face. Honestly, I don't know what I did to my face, but I know it's an application went wrong. So you just get the basics, you get what you're going to do to the face. Apply egg, put on the toilet roll, and then you wait for about 15 minutes. After that, you peel the mask off. I don't know if I should get a thumbnail picture like this. Let me try. I don't even know what I am doing. So just in case you don't know, eggs actually tightens the face. It also brightens the face. It also helps get rid of dark spots, white spots, black spots, and it get rid of fine lines in the face. It get rid of wrinkles. If you are wondering why I'm talking like that, is because I don't want to create lines on my face. And then my favorite thing about egg is that it removes clogged pores. It gets rid of all the pores that are clogged, and it also gets rid of the black spot. Yes, I love saying that about eggs. It gets rid of the black spot. And yes, this video's topic is going to be a clickbait. It will be like how I lost my virginity to my high school lover, plus skincare routine, or maybe skincare and chit chat about losing my virginity to high school lover. Just something like that, something that will make you guys click on my video. Please, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed, just subscribe to my channel now. I think it's already 15 minutes now, so I'm going to peel the mask. So let's peel it. Wallah, if you are going to peel, we peel in a hankali because it's painful. So guys, as you can see up close and personal, my face is already the face has already brightened up and my pores are not clogged. It is looking very, very beautiful, even though the application went wrong, but it still did the work I wanted it to do. So I'll wash the face off and then come back. So I've washed my face and now I'm going to dab it dry. Please don't rub the towel whenever you are trying to dry your face. Just dab it. I can even see the stupid black spot already fading out, guys. So I'll just try this for 3-4 days again, and I'm sure you're not going to find it there. So if you are battling with black spots, whitehead, pimples, whatever, just try this recipe. Try. It's for all skin types. I mean, everybody can use it. So let me just show you a quick way on how to make a scrub. But before then, let's moisturize first. Moisturizing is an essential part of skincare. So I'm going to use the Essence by MKJ Glow Oil to moisturize my face. So the face is moisturized. Oh my god, I'm so proud of my face. Tabarakallah, mashallah. My skincare journey is a long one and I am so proud of myself for sticking to my skincare routines. Just see the glow, guys. This is the glow you can get with as low as 100 naira if you're in Nigeria. Or maybe you just walk into your kitchen and get an egg and then glow like me. So let me show you guys the simplest scrub you can make in your entire life. Simplest, most effective scrub you can make. So the first ingredient you need is sugar. You can use brown sugar, white sugar. I'm using white sugar, so you can use any of the sugars. If your skin is a bit sensitive, you should blend the sugar before using it. If your skin is all those dry, flaky skins, you don't have to blend the sugar before using it. You can just use it like that. So for me today, I'm going to use the sugar like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Essence by MKJ Glow Oil to my sugar. After applying the Essence by MKJ Glow Oil to my sugar, I'm going to mix it. In case you don't have the Essence by MKJ Glow Oil, which I recommend you get, you can get it from EMSU_EM on Instagram. I recommend the Essence by MKJ Glow Oil for your sugar scrubs. In case you don't have that, you can use olive oil or coconut oil. So this is what we get after mixing the Essence by MKJ Glow Oil with our so the next step is for us to add our lime. And again, if you have a very sensitive skin, please, you don't need to add the lime. If you don't have lime, you can add apple cider vinegar to your sugar. Okay, so this might be my thumbnail picture. Magic. So this is what we have. This is what we have after mixing the glow oil plus sugar plus lime. And this is your go-to scrub. Like, you can use it 3 times in a week. So I think this is the end of this video, and I hope it is helpful, even though I don't know, I might end up not posting this video because I'm not feeling it, but I hope it's helpful. If I ever post it, I hope it's helpful. So thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe, like, share, and if there is anything you want me to post, anything you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. You guys are so supportive. Bye bye. Subscribe.